Serene and Simple Life peeps. It's a go see do day and not for land. I hope you have enjoyed my little synopsis of my land search. Can you believe it? Looking at over 50 pieces of land. I mean, we're talking looking at dirt. All over the creation, really, literally, all over the creation. And yeah, I've got some exciting news coming up in the next couple days. You are, if not already, going to want to subscribe, click the bell, and look for updates on some really special stuff coming up. Yeah, dreams come true, setting goals. Anyways, I am going to the beach today. I feel like I have earned a day off, and the beach is one of my favorite places to go. So we are going to go to Navarre Beach in Florida, and I am going to do walk around tours when I go to different beaches. I hope you enjoyed the state park videos that I went and visited Kimberly and Tammy, and I went to the beach. I love the beach. And in the future, I may do a beach series, like consistent, like one a week. I'm not really sure. But I've also thought that that would be fun to do with state parks, like just pick a state and go through all the different beaches. Florida intrigues me with all their beaches, and I think there's 186 beaches in Florida. That would be a lot of videos. That would take me through like an entire year to do that. But I'm going to travel distances too, from wherever I have my landing zone. It might be 100-mile road trip, or it could be 200, 500. I'm really not sure. And I may pick up the thought of doing some camping at state parks too. So, alrighty, I think it's time to get going. Show you around Navarre Beach. Living in my SUV right now. Big plans on the horizon. So I hope you will stay tuned. I've got a road trip coming up, and going to be taking the next step to have a landing zone home. Not just the landing zone, which is the dirt, but somewhere to actually live too. Alrighty, with no further ado, I hope you will come along and join me at the beach. Alright, part of my beach hopping series. I don't know how often, but I am going to start a series. This is Navarre Beach in Florida. Wow, it's my first time here.
The chair is just tall enough to sit.
Right. Sorry. Look how beautiful. It's a beautiful day at the beach, guys. Lots of people, but not too many people. Lots of room for more people. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous water. Woo. We're talking my favorite colors. Teals, greens, aqua, blue. Cute little restaurant over there. Alright, let's go down into the parking lot and maybe walk on the other pier over there. Lots to do. Our beach marine park over yonder. Andy D's beachside restaurant and deck bar. Come visit. We can go to Andy D's. Wonder if he's related to my Andy. Shop. Wonder if I've ever taken a stroll around the parking lot before. We've got Sheldon's Surf Shack. Say that fast 5 times. Sheldon's Surf Shack. Sheldon Surf Shack. Yeah, you can try it. Turtle roll ice cream. Ice cream, shaved ice, shakes and twists. Here we are. Coffee shop. Sit, sip, relax. Right there we have the umbrellas, chairs, hats, sunscreen, and toys. Shakes, $9.50. I don't think I've ever had a shake for $9.50 in my entire life. This sure is cute. This is something I would like to do. Beachside church. The church without walls. Come as you are. They have one of those in Delaware. I think I went one time, maybe. Maybe, I can't remember. If I just lived a little closer. Navarre Beach Pier. Let's get a little closer. Trees. Palm trees everywhere. Gotta love the palm trees. I especially loved them when I lived in California. I love forests of trees just as much. Windjammers on the pier. Navarre Beach Pier. Restaurant, gift shop, fishing, and fun. Alrighty. Love all this free parking too. When I came in here, I was like, okay, where's the meters? Free parking. The last of the frees, right? Let's go up the steps and see what we got going on. Playing music, so we're not going to show you too much here. Access to the pier there. So we'll go around. It's a fun day. Walking $1. All right, that's where they get ya. That's where they get ya. Beautiful. Not going to spend $1 to walk. Just not gonna do it. He asked me if I needed $1. I was like, no, that's not my point. And then he just told me it cost over $2 million to put this together. So they've probably made it back, what, 3 times? Walking, all ages, $60. Got a pass for the year. Donate to Navarre Beach and their profits. And no, don't get along. No pets, no camping, no fireworks, no glass, no fires. Wow. Very nice and tidy. Florida's Panhandle. This is so pretty. Sitting area with some shade. Another place to rinse off. There. Favorite. Seagull. Crab. This was definitely a great road trip. Going to be doing more of these all throughout Florida, Alabama. I don't know, I'm just going to beach hop for a while. You know, like you do national park hops or visits. I think I've done, I don't know, 24, 25 national parks. And I think I read there's 189 beaches in Florida. So I'll probably be posting for over a year my beach hopping. I hope you come with me and subscribe, click the bell, give this one a thumbs up. You can start making your bucket list of beaches. I'd give this one a 10. Hope you enjoyed this walk around tour of Navarre Beach. Thank you for visiting Navarre Beach and Florida's most relaxing place. I've seen that sign quite a bit. That must be a little trademark saying. So I'll be back. I'd love to eat at this Windjammer with you. Come visit Florida. I'll give you my exact location and we'll do a day trip. Alrighty then, here goes an R-Pod down the road. Blessings in your day and joy in all your beach journeys. Who doesn't love the beach? Put in the comments. Are you not a beach lover? It's okay. I don't like to be here all day, but I sure do like to visit. One more thing. If you come to visit, we'll splurge and we'll walk the pier. My treat. You know what? I'll probably break down and give them $1. Yeah, it's a good donation. Free parking. I don't need to be so cheap, right? It's just the principle. Spending $1 to walk. Just like buying water these days, right? My dad would be turning over in his grave to know that I spend money to buy water. Now we're spending money to walk. What next? But that would be serenity, to walk out there on the pier and just hang out for a while after a good meal at the restaurant. Later. Well, I hope you enjoyed that beach tour today. Sitting at a rest area, back at the rest area, and I've decided I'm not going to do a beach hopping series right now. That could come maybe next year. I have too much going on with the land search and some big stuff coming up. Yeah, I think you're gonna love it. So got lots and lots of things to talk about and tell you about in the near future. Part of my journey, a new beginnings, a new season for me. But the series, I'm going to put that on hold. I was thinking I was going to do more beaches here in the near future. And again, that's probably not going to happen until next year. But I hope you enjoyed seeing Navarre Beach. I certainly enjoyed being there. It is beautiful. And hopefully, perhaps one day, you and I can hook up and we can go to the beach together and just have a day of R&R and go see-do. Love you guys.